Are you aware that Taiwan produces 5.86 million tons of trash each year? To put this incredible volume of garbage in perspective, consider that this amount of trash will fill the entire Taipei 101 building 10,700 times. PET bottles comprise a significant portion of this trash, about 4.5 billion bottles annually. Even if buried underground for 50 years, these bottles will remain largely unchanged. The question then is, what can we do? Of course, reduced consumption is essential. But is there a solution for the garbage that currently exists? Actually, processes exist to break PET bottles back down into reusable raw PET. This PET can be used to make new products without an increase in total PET volume. This regenerated PET is of excellent quality. Textiles made from such regenerated PET do not differ in comfort or feel from similar products made from virgin PET. Over the past several years, Daai Technology has joined with Tzu Chi environmental volunteers to employ the processes described above, thus extending the life cycle of previously discarded materials and reducing the burden that excessive amounts of municipal waste puts on our planet. There is a strand of yarn that is woven into an expression of great love. It starts with the recycling of our society's ubiquitous PET bottles. Through the work of Tzu Chi environmental volunteers, bottles are broken down into clean, pure, raw PET, certified with Green Mark for rigorous quality control. Using recycled PET to effectively reduce waste and show the earth that we care, transforming trash into love. That is Daai Tech yarn. There is a blanket woven with Daai Tech yarn. It has been used in 24 disaster-affected countries and soothes over 300,000 wounded hearts and bodies. This blanket is a combination of industrial technology and the human spirit, which allows threads of great love to spread compassion. These love-filled fibers originated from the love and dedication of over 63,000 environmental volunteers working in conjunction with Tzu Chi's 4,500 recycling stations around Taiwan. Regardless of religion, race, age, or social status, these volunteers pick up discarded PET bottles one by one and send them to the recycling stations. The volunteers at the recycling stations remove the caps and neck rings, stomp the bottle flat, and then send the flattened bottles to mills to be cut into flakes, ground into chips, and snapped into fibers. When the process is finished, the result? High-quality Daai Tech yarn. Warmth is produced by the combination of industrial technology and a compassionate spirit. The desire to protect our Earth, growing and spreading into efforts to protect all of her creatures. Daai Technology Corporate Limited, after 2 years of research and development by Tzu Chi industrial volunteers and receiving consent from Venerable Dharma Master Zheng Yan, the company officially started operation on December 10, 2008. Our objective is to promote and implement Master Zheng Yan's concept of environmental protection. Master Zheng Yan's concept goes beyond simply recycling and reusing PET bottles to produce high-quality clothing. Behind the Daai Tech polo shirts and other green products made with Daai Tech yarn, there is the love, caring, and compassion of all the Tzu Chi environmental and industrial volunteers. Beyond the product, there is a story about love, which is more important than any green product or recycling process. To ensure the highest level of quality, all products using Daai Tech yarn standards and procedures. Our fabrics absorb moisture well and wick perspiration away quickly. In addition to meeting typical wear and usage needs, We also insist on keeping our products dye-free, simple, and functional. On the corporate level, we follow the Tzu Chi spirit of humanitarianism as our fundamental guiding principle. We continue to integrate local Taiwan and overseas businesses and volunteers to support Tzu Chi's charity, medicine, education, and humanitarian culture missions. We donate all of our capitals and profits to Tzu Chi Foundation. Turn waste into gold, gold into love, love into a purifying force, and surround the globe with it. That is the quintessence of Master Cheng Yan's environmental protection philosophy. Daai Technology and all Tzu Chi volunteers from around the world work to implement this philosophy. Master Cheng Yan said, "Just do it. As long as you put your heart into it, there is hope for our earth." Daai Technology sincerely welcomes all people that want to protect our earth and all her creatures to use Daai Tech eco products.